This tutorial is a variation on my basic ear warmer pattern that adds a cute bow to the top of the ear warmer. It's an extremely simple project that can be made with just a 1/4 yard remnant of fleece fabric that you might even have left over from other projects. Just download the free pattern in the description below and follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, we're going to sew the ear warmer to the lining on the top and the bottom. Before you do this, you want to turn in the seam allowance on one side of the ear warmer. Now you want to turn the ear warmer to the right side and press the seam. It's a good idea to use a pressing cloth whenever you use an iron with fleece because it tends to melt the fuzzy fibers if you don't. Now we're going to make a loop with our ear warmer. Insert the side of the ear warmer with raw edges into the side that you had folded over earlier. And then you want to top stitch through all of the layers. Now it's time to get our bow ready. Fold the bow in half and sew around the perimeter. Be sure to leave a gap in the stitching so that you can turn it to the right side. Now you want to trim the seams and corners and turn the bow to the right side. Now pinch the center of the bow to gather it and wrap a thread around it. You want to wrap the thread around 15 to 20 times to make sure that it's secure, and then tie off the ends of the thread. Now we want to get the tab ready. Fold the tab in half and sew. Then you want to trim the seam to reduce bulk and turn it to the right side. Now all you have to do is wrap the tab around the ear warmer and the bow, and then hand sew it closed in the back. And that's it, you've finished. You have your cute bow ear warmer.